How to recover deleted photos and videos on Facebook. So go ahead in your menu section on your Facebook and scroll down and go to settings and privacy and choose the option settings. Here choose Meta account center, which is at the very top. From this list, tap on your information and permission and tap on download your information, which is the second option right here. Now all you have to do is request a download and choose the account and profile. I'll be choosing my Facebook only. So here you will be given two types. If you tap on complete copy, there it will notify you the format, the media quality, the date range and all. But if you want to select a file, you just have to tap on the second option, and here you can also select what items do you want in your downloaded data. So here I am just tapping on the details that I want in my downloaded data, and you can do this manually according to your wish. So here I am almost done. Now once you have done, all you have to do is tap on the next button, which is at the very bottom. Now just tap on submit request once again. Now you will see that it shows pending download, which means it is preparing your data, and you'll be notified when it is ready to be downloaded. And after some days you will have your deleted photos and videos recovered. So that was pretty much it for this video as well. Hopefully it was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.